Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to talk about a very special member of our family who is warm, sweet and rejuvenating. Still guessing? So I'm talking about chai, tea, and for that we need 1 cup of milk, 1 cup water, basil leaves, ginger, cardamom, cloves and jaggery. Yes, you can't see any sugar here because I'm going to make this tea with jaggery. It's ideal to have your morning tea made with jaggery as it speeds up your digestion after the long hours of fasting. Also, I will be using tea leaves as per my preference and taste. So let's boil a cup of water. I'm going to add all these spices and herbs here. So you can avoid if you don't like any of the combinations, like if you want to replace elaichi or cardamom with cinnamon, you can do that. Or you can just keep it as ginger tea, or you can just keep it as plain simple tea without anything. So we like it that way. So I'm just putting all of it together, giving it a good mix. So the water is boiling now. I will use 2 teaspoons of tea here because we prefer medium to strong tea. You can use your usual measure of tea leaves. Now you can see once boiled, it start releasing a good color and the flavor. Keep stirring it. Now I'm going to add the jaggery. You can take a teaspoon and a half more of the usual sugar you use. Now sugar is a refined form, whereas jaggery is more natural and less processed sweetener. It's a rich source of iron, and the most important thing is it aids weight loss. So let's have this tea without any guilt because it has a lot of positives to start our day with. We'll add the milk, and this will be 2 cups of tea. We'll give it a stir and bring it to boil. Don't boil it too much, just one last time, and then we'll switch off the flame. Just give it a good stir and close the lid. Let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we'll strain this. Here we go. And there it is. Our hot, warm, sweet, rejuvenating cup of tea is ready. So drinking tea is popular worldwide, and for many of us, the day doesn't begin without sipping our favorite cup of tea or coffee. So here I'm not insisting you to change your habits, but change your tea into a healthy immunity booster drink for a great start of the day. Thank you so much for watching. Do try this tea at home and let us know your feedback in the comment section. Until we meet again, thank you so much and bye-bye.